Right, welcome back to the channel, people. I hope everybody's doing alright, I hope everybody's keeping safe and well. Now, if you're like me and you ride all year round in all weather conditions, you're going to be want to keep. That doesn't even make sense.
That'll be on camera, that.
Right, welcome back to the channel, people. I hope everybody's doing alright. Now, if you're like me and you ride all year round, you're going to want to keep warm and dry in the wet conditions. So today we're going to be discussing my new purchase, the RST Atlas waterproof gloves. So stick around, stay tuned, catch you in a minute. Right, so the key benefits I see with these gloves is that they're CE certified to level 1 KP, and the gloves feature a knuckle protector and a double layer in the palm, as well as the left and right visor on each index finger. They're made out of HTC with leathering the key impact areas. They've got a SinAqua waterproof lining for wet conditions, as well as a pull tab hook and loop for extra closure. They've got a drawstring at the cuff, and they do have reflected markings on the glove itself. So join me out on the bike and we'll see what we think.
Right, welcome back, folks. I'm out on this extremely cold morning. I think it's something like 4 degrees. I'm on my way to the garage to get back its first ever MOT. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to bring you along with me. It's first time that I've had I've been out since I got the new helmet. So I've not had a chance to check out the audio, so I'm hoping that's coming through loud and clear and there's not too much wind noise. Also, while I were out, I thought I'd try the new gloves. I've got a pair of RST Paragon 5s, which they are quite good. They're supposed to be waterproof, but they're not Gore-Tex, so they're not going to be waterproof, are they? But I bought myself a pair of RST Atlas ones, because I find that the Paragon 5, for some reason, 3 fingers on my left hand always seem to get cold. On my right hand it's fine, but it's always the left hand. So for winter I thought I'd treat. For winter I thought I'd try these out, which so far they're not too bad. Obviously they claim to be waterproof, but whether they are or not, they might be showerproof, but I doubt very much they'll be 100% waterproof because they're not Gore-Tex. They've got that lining inside them. So, but it's got the squeegee on the index finger, which is not too bad. So it's just a short journey today. Roads are a little bit greasy, a little bit slippy. So I've got the old beast in rain mode. Watson's garage in Selby. Decent lads in there, take all my cars and that have you to them. Definitely getting back to normal.
Right, so yeah, the gloves itself, they did the job. It was roughly between 4 and 5 degrees outside, so my hands were nice and warm. Obviously it wasn't raining, so I couldn't test out the waterproof, but I do expect them to be water resistant as well as they can be. They're not made out of Gore-Tex. They have got an inner SinAqua, what RST are calling a SinAqua lining, so it'll be good to see how water resistant they actually are, but as well as keeping my hands warm, yeah, they did the job. It wasn't a long ride. I do have heated grips anyway, but yeah, my hands were quite warm, so quite impressed with these. So these were retailed at just short of 50 quid from Infinity Motorcycles at York, but I had a discount on that, so I paid about 40 quid for these. So I didn't think they were bad. 40 quid for a pair of gloves. I've got quite a few. I've got quite a bit of a glove collection going off. So, but yeah, get yourself down, get yourself some purchased if you do like them. All right, thank you. Right, stay safe. I'll catch you next time.